Hey everyone, welcome back. Nothing going to be going out this week or possibly next week, but I just wanted to let you know where we're at. Seals for what are they, cargo window seals on the XW wagon, we've been waiting for. I gave up on Better Auto Rubber at Nerang. Those guys were just terrible with replying and just never ever got back to you. You always had to chase them. We gave them about a month and a half of just ringing and chasing them up every week to see what was going on. And yeah, they're in the next shipment, they're in the next shipment. And then when you finally get someone to actually go have a look at what's in the container, there wasn't any in the container. Um, Probably not their fault, but then when they said they did arrive, they weren't the cargo seals for an XW. So we gave up on that and found Paul Harrison over at Harrison's Early Auto Spares. Used to be Harrison's Early Holden Spares. Now they just do Ford, Holden, Chrysler, all bits and pieces. Paul is awesome. Great feedback. Didn't have them in stock, but has a supplier that can get them. And the quality of the rubber is absolutely fantastic. So they finally arrived late this week. So I need a day where I've got Dylan or someone here to give me a hand so I can actually cut those glasses out and not drop them. So we'll get into that as soon as I've got someone in the workshop to give me a hand, and we'll pop those out and then we'll start making the patch repairs for them. And we've also got some lower fenders and inner braces to weld in for some XA Falcon fenders as well. I've got a couple of test ones that aren't the greatest, but I want to cut the XA GT flutes into the front leading edge behind the marker lights. So I don't want to destroy the half decent ones I've got on the car. If these turn out all right, then we'll use them on the car, or at least I'll know I'll be able to cut them into the factory cards without absolutely butchering them. Those ones we're going to try and give a go at TIG welding the patches in and TIG welding the flutes in, so that way, if it works, we should be able to hammer and dolly it and shrink them back and make them sit in there nice compared to MIG welding. So that'll be coming up pretty soon too. But as for this weekend and the next couple, as you can see behind us, someone had the bright idea to paint the office. So I'm going to be stuck doing this for the next couple of days. But yeah, just wanted to say thank you for everyone tuning in and keeping watching. And yeah, there is something coming soon. We're back on the wagon and back on the XA front fender. And Dylan is pretty close to getting the last couple of panels on his XK primed and ready for high fill. And then it's just going to be a mad dash of blocking the XK back and getting it ready for color. So he's pretty close. Well, closer than it was before. There's no more rust. All right. I'm going to get into this painting, and you guys have a great weekend. Thank you. Bye.